He's a lying, dog-faced pony soldier.
Whoa, Joe, that's a little bit harsh. But you're right when it comes to cell tower companies and then promoting these dirty words, market rents. There's no such thing in the cell tower industry. They want you to believe that you should be paid what others are getting paid. Well, why? Because those other property owners are getting undervalued. And they want you to follow those guys and make sure that you only get paid a certain amount of rent, well below the true value of your cell tower lease. Every cell tower has its own individual value. Don't follow what other people have been paid. It's fake news.
Fake news.
You need to understand what the value of your one property is to that cell tower, not only today, but going forward. If you want to learn more about the cell tower industry, hit the subscribe button.